Got him?
Yep.
Okay. Cold start, 1978, Newyorker Brougham, 400 cubic inch. Hasn't been started in 6, maybe 8 months. And it's about, what, minus 15 today? Something like that? That's minus 15 Celsius. Let's see. God, I love my old baby. Not too much smoke. A little bit of exhaust. She's still covered in snow and ice. As you can see, we had a big ice storm here in Ontario not too long ago. But she's going good. Of course, it has a GM HEI ignition on it, which makes all the difference in the world for sparking energy. Of course, I had to put my big battery in it. But she's purring like a kitten. Little shake to her till the choke comes off. Lovely. Lovely running engine. About 1800 RPM on the tack there. Snowed in. Okay, here you go, Christian. Hold on to this. I'm just going to move her forward.